Before you start watching this video, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button. Then tapping the bell icon button so you will be first to know when we post new videos. We are all knowledgeable about the health and beauty advantages of baking soda. In this short article we will show you the best ways to prepare an incredible homemade face mask that will leave your face tidy, acne-free, smooth and softer than ever. Some of the health and charm benefits of baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate is incredible against acne and pimples. It extracts any infection and help loosening skin around blackheads, so you can extract them easily. It functions as a natural antibiotic, and erases acne scars and promotes the recovery procedure of skin susceptible to acne. Baking soda is among the best options for pores. It has strong anti-inflammatory properties and opens up pores. It absorbs excess oil from the skin and avoids pores from blocking. This natural mask is extremely easy to prepare. For removing dark circles with baking soda. Ingredients: baking soda 1 spoon, lukewarm green tea 1 cup. We all are aware that green tea is filled with antioxidants that can help in fighting the signs of skin aging and discoloration. Baking soda, mixed with green tea, can actually give you the best effects of both, helping in removing the dark circles quickly. Prepare 1 cup green tea from green tea leaves and let the tea cool down to a comfortable temperature. Now add 1 spoon of baking soda with it and mix well. Soak 2 fresh cotton pads in this solution and place them under the eyes. Let them stay for 10 to 15 minutes and then remove. Wash with plenty of normal water and follow with a moisturizer. Baking soda has abrasive properties and hence using it on the delicate under eye area directly is never suggested. To use this treatment, it is really essential that you dilute baking soda sufficiently as mentioned above. You should not opt for a more concentrated solution. Try it out today, and let us understand your results below in comments. If you like our video, please give us thumbs up and share this video with family and friends. Thanks.